Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today's lesson that we are going to solve today is we're going to solve the linear equations with two variables using the substitution method. Here is the example that we are going to do. So first we are going to look at the equation. Solve the system of equation x plus y equals 12 and 2x minus y equals 3. So the first step that you are going to do is to write the two equations. So the first equation is x plus y equals 12 and the second equation is 2x minus y equals 3. And then as you can see here, we have two variables here. So first we are going to find first the value of y. And how we find it? From equation number 1, find the value of y. And as you can see here, we have y is equal to 12 minus x. So how do we get y is equal to 12 minus x? From equation number 1, we just only need to transfer the x to the right side, and y, that one is negative x. Because that one is positive, we use the subtraction property of equation. So that is, we get the y equals 12 minus x. And then, but take note, that's not the final answer of y. Later, we are going to solve the value of y. And then, we are now ready to find the value of x. So how do we find the value of x? Substitute the value of y in equation number 2. So in equation number 2, 2x minus y, we need to substitute your y from the equation number 3. So we substitute that, becomes like this. 2x minus 12 minus x equals 3. And then after that, we have the negative sign here. We don't need to use the distributive law. Instead, we just only clear the bracket. So after clearing the bracket, this is what we get. 2x minus 12 plus x equals 3. And then after that, you have this one. We have same term here, 2x and x. We need to combine these two terms. So if we combine these two terms, we get 3x minus 12 equals 3. But take note, we have another 12 here. That's the whole number. We need to combine this another term to the another term, which is 3. So as you can see, we use another property, which is the addition property of equation. We need to change the symbol negative into positive sign. Okay, so we get 3x equals 3 plus 12. And then after that, we need to combine this 3 and 12. 3x equals 15. But as you can see here on the left hand side, we have the coefficient of your x, which is 3. So we need to look at again another property of equation, which is the division property. We need to transfer this 3 to the other side, to the right hand side. So become x is equal to 15 over 3. So as you can see here, we have the multiplication property here. And then if we transfer to the right side, becomes division property. And then after that, x is equal to 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Now we got already your value of your x, which is the 5. And now we are now ready to find out your y. So where do we can find the value of y? So let's look at. We can find the value of y from equation number 3. Substitute the value of x in equation number 3. So the equation number 3 is y is equal to 12 minus x. And then we need to write that like this. Y is equal to 12 minus 5. So as you can see, the 5 here, that is already your x. We just only substitute the value that we get last solution. Okay, and then after that, we need to subtract 12 minus 5. The difference is y is equal to 7. Now we got already the two variables. So x is equal to 5 and then y is equal to 7. In order to prove that is the value of your x and the value of your y, we need to check How do we check that? So, to check this one, we need to substitute the values of x and y in equation 1 and equation number 2. So, as you can see guys, we need to use only the equation 1 and equation number 2. We don't need to use the equation number 3. So, the equation number 1 is x plus y equals 12. So, as you can see here, x and y, we need to substitute the values. So, we have the x is 5 and the y is 7. And then 5 plus 7 equals 12. So, if we add these two, equals 12. So, it means that is true. So, they are equal. The left-hand side and the right-hand sides are equal. Now, let's find out to the equation number 2. The equation number 2 is 2x minus y equals 3. And then, we need to substitute your x and y, which is 2 times 5 minus 7. And then, we multiply this 2 and 5 becomes 10. And then, same, 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. And then, that is true. Okay? So, after checking, we are now ready to conclude the equation. The conclusion is, therefore, the solution of system of equation is 5 and 7. Okay, so that's our video for today, and please don't forget to subscribe with our channel, and please click the notification bell to be updated always with our videos. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Goodbye.